We were tasked with preventing the resistance from escaping one of many government rent zones. All other sniper units were overrun and terminated. Only I remain, and there is no one coming for me. No matter how many of them I kill, I make no difference. The resistance will never give in to the cleansing.
We're sorry. The constant rescue mission is out of the question. We're now commencing with the next step of the operation. For our safety and yours, this link will now be terminated.
I understand. I'm on my own now. I can't expect the resistance to take me in. But they deserve to be informed. Rainfall will cleanse the planet of all threats deemed hazardous to Earth's future ecosystem. And no one can stop the rain from falling down.